We're gonna do a quick operation video here. Windows going up and down with ease. Sunroof opens up perfectly. Wind deflector comes up, and then when it closes, wind deflector comes back down. Little mirror here, you can see motor is working perfectly fine for your adjustments. Let's hear the horn. And then let's head to the front, show off all the lights work. There's the blinkers. Let's see the fog lights. There we go, and then high beams. Perfect. All right, we're gonna head to the rear, show off the lights in the rear. All right, and then reverse. There you go. If you have any questions, use the contact seller button. Happy to answer. If you have a shipping quote inquiry, just use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to get you a shipping quote. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button. And good luck.